All right, so this is the question on Khan Academy. It says, write this like this. And it has this A here. Again, I think the A is doing us a disservice. So instead of me writing it like that, I'm going to write it like this. I'm going to say, this is my A times 1 over 7 raised to the x power. So it's pretty much saying this. You have to have something multiplying to 1 over 7 to the x power. So we could just take this right here and make that our parentheses and then factor out the 1 over 7 raised to the x. Now that sounds so weird. Like, how do you actually factor? How do you do that? Okay, here, let me take it slow with you guys. Okay, so if I take 1 over 7 out of this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide each of these terms by 1 over 7 raised to the x power. Divide this by 1 over 7 raised to the x power. Now, I know you guys are going to get confused here because the base is currently 1 over 7. You're like, oh, that's scary. I don't know what to do with that. Okay, what if it was a different number? What if it was just x? What if it said, no, let's not use x. Let's say y. Y to the x minus 2 minus y raised to the x. So if I divide this by y raised to the x and this by y raised to the x, do you guys know what you would get?
Yes.
Y raised to the x. What would be in our parentheses after we divide it out?
Y.
I know this one right here is 1, right?
Yeah.
Because they're the same. But what would I get right here?
Y to the negative 2.
Y to the negative 2. Because you have to go x minus 2 subtract the x. Right? Whenever you have the same base and you're dividing, you subtract the exponents, right? So back to this over here. 1 over 7, 1 over 7. The 1 over 7 doesn't matter. Okay, so we take out the 1 over 7, and I'm going to put him on the outside. 1 over 7 raised to the x. So what's going to be on the inside? Well, this one's easy, right? What's that divided by that? It's just 1, right? Because they're the same. This one right here, we have the same bases. 1 over 7, 1 over 7.
Isn't it negative 2?
Where?
On the 49.
This one?
No, on the left. One more.
This one?
Down.
This one?
Yeah, isn't that negative?
No, I'm taking out 1 over 7x, so I'm putting him out here. It's like I'm factoring him out.
Oh,
Okay, so if I have 1 over 7 divided by 1 over 7, what do I do with these exponents? You subtract. So what is x minus 2, which is the top, minus x? What is that?
Negative 2.
It's just negative 2, right? So I put 1 over 7 raised to negative 2. Now I can simplify that more. I can get rid of this. I can get rid of that negative, and I can say 7 to the positive 2. And what is 7 to the positive 2?
49.
Oh, that was simple. So I have 1 over 7 raised to the x power, and I have 49 minus 1. What is that?
48. Oh, A is 48.
Yep.
Yeah,
That was crazy. So what they're doing here is they're telling you what to factor out. And so you have to divide these two terms by whatever you're factoring out.